Hi everyone, do you need to apply for a learnership but don't know how to make a CV? I'm Rahima and I'll be showing you how to make a CV for your learnership. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you may need about studying and your future career. If you want to apply for a learnership in South Africa, a well-written and comprehensive CV is an essential tool to showcase your skills and qualifications. Here are some tips on how to compile a CV for learnerships in South Africa. So step 1. Start with your personal details. This includes the classic personal details such as your name, address and contact details and email address. Make sure this information is clear and easy to read. Step 2. This is your personal statement. A personal statement is a brief summary of your skills, experience and achievements. It should be tailored for the learnership you are applying for and highlight that you are the best person for the job. Keep it straight to the point and avoid using generic statements. Okay, so this is where it gets serious because step 3 is where you need to list all your qualifications. Do this by starting with your most recent qualification and then go backwards. Include the name of the institution, the qualification you got, and the year you got it, and your results. If you're currently studying towards a qualification, include the expected date of your completion. Then comes your work experience, step 4. Include any work experience you may have, starting from the most recent job. List the name of the company, your job title, the dates of the employment, and the responsibilities and achievements. If you have little or no work experience, include any learnerships, volunteer work, or extracurricular activities you may have completed or have been involved in. Step 5. You need to highlight your skills. Highlight any skills you have that are relevant to the learnership you are applying for. These could include computer skills, language proficiency, and any technical skills you may have. Lastly, you need to list your achievements. This isn't a must, but if you've got any awards or notable accomplishments, you should definitely include them. This could be done in a separate section on your CV. This will also help showcase your strengths and demonstrate your ability to succeed. It's important that your CV is short but to the point and show the best of you and why you should be chosen. Comment down below what learnerships you're looking for, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.